ইনভার্স সার্কুলার ফাংশন। যদি ধরো সাইন থিটা ইকুয়াল এক্স থাকে, দেন থিটা ইকুয়াল সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স, এটাকে রিডার সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স বলে। সেম আস সাইন থিটা যদি হয়, তাহলে কোসেক থিটা কী হয়, 1/x। সেম আস থিটা ইকুয়াল টু কোসিন ইনভার্স 1/x। এ ধরো সাইন থিটা আছে, যদি থিটা হয় এটা হয়, সো x/1, সো হোয়াইট বাই হাইপোটেনাস হয়ে গেল, সো বেসিস কী হবে 1 - x²। সো এই সেন্স থেকে আমরা ট্যান থিটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু কী দেখতে পাবো, x/√1 - x²। সো থিটা ইকুয়াল টু কী হবে, সো ট্যান ইনভার্স x/√1 - x²। ওকে, সেম কট থিটা কী দেখতে পাবো, দিস বাই দিস, বেস বাই হাইট হয়ে যাবে, দেন থিটা ইকুয়াল টু কী দেখতে পাবো, কট ইনভার্স 1 - x² বাই এক্স। ওকে, তো এই মানে হচ্ছে ইনভার্সের জিনিসগুলো হচ্ছে। নেক্সট পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে, ধরো 1 নম্বর পয়েন্ট বলে লিখে আছে, এটা 1 নম্বর পয়েন্ট দিলাম, এটা 2 নম্বর পয়েন্ট, যে অ্যাজ ইউ নো সাইন ইনভার্স এক্স and how it possible cos inverse x is equal to pi/2, which is Roman 1, and Roman 2 cosine inverse x plus sec inverse x is equal to also pi/2, and number 3 cot inverse x plus so tan inverse x is equal to pi/2 we have to show. And from number 2 Roman 1, if that let cosine inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to cosec theta, and now cosec theta মানে কি লিখতে পারি, sec pi/2 minus theta, and it will be sec inverse x is equal to, এটা secটা এদিকে নিয়ে চলে এলাম, pi/2 minus theta, and then left hand side is equal to cosine inverse x plus sec inverse x. Cosine inverse x means theta, you can write, and this is pi minus theta, theta কেটে গেল, and it will be pi/2. তো এইভাবে আমরা দেখালে এটা পেয়ে যেতে পারি। নেক্সট পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে যে নাম্বার 1, আচ্ছা নাম্বার 3 পয়েন্ট, নাম্বার 1 যে tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. Number 2, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now for number 1, একটা করে দিই এটা, let tan inverse x is equal to alpha and tan inverse y is equal to beta. So alpha is equal to tan alpha, tan x, no, ভুল হলো, so from that tan alpha is equal to x, and from that tan beta is equal to y. So we have to show this equal to this is, let us assume alpha and this also beta, so that's why alpha plus beta, and এখানে tan inverse হবে, tan inverse নেই, tan inverse of that, and this also tan inverse of that. Okay, and see the tan inverse, so that's why tan যদি একটা alpha beta হয়, so tan টা এই দিকে tan alpha plus beta, that why you can write tan of alpha plus beta. So formula here is tan a plus b, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, and that is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, so alpha plus beta is equal to tan টা এই সাইডে নিয়ে গেলে that called tan inverse, this is called tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, similarly we can write this alpha minus beta, tan inverse also tan of alpha minus beta. Okay, question part number 4, that is Roman 1, cot inverse x plus cot inverse y, and it is cot inverse xy minus y by y plus x. And number 2, Roman 2, cot inverse x minus cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse xy plus 1 by 1 y minus x. আমি দুইটা করি, লেট করে নিচ্ছি। cot inverse x is equal to alpha, then cot alpha is equal to x, cot inverse y is equal to beta, and implies that cot beta is equal to y. Now we have to show, that is, let us assume alpha and this is beta, so alpha minus beta, so this is alpha minus beta, and this is equal to cot inverse that, so cot of, if we transfer to cot of that, cot of that means this, so cot of a minus b, so cot alpha cot beta plus 1 by cot beta minus cot alpha, and that will be xy, x into y plus 1, and this is y minus x. And now we can write again cotটাকে এইদিকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি, alpha minus beta, and it is cot inverse xy plus y, xy plus 1 by নিচে হয়ে যাবে তোমার y minus x, and this is cot inverse x minus cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse xy plus 1 by y minus x, and these all are formulas, okay. And now second is, there is a question number 4 part, and 5 part is that number 1, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, sin inverse x into root over 1 minus y square, y into root over 1 minus x square. And number 2, sin inverse x and sin inverse y minus, and this will be x into root over 1 minus y square minus y into root over 1 minus x square. And now we have to show the second formula. Let us assume sin inverse x is equal to alpha, then sin alpha is equal to x, sin inverse y is equal to beta, then sin beta is equal to y. If this is alpha and x by this, x by 1, and hypotenuse there is x minus x square, same as beta, this is y by n. And see here, cos alpha is equal to this by this, root over 1 minus x square, same as cos beta is equal to root over 1 minus y square, and alpha minus beta, so this is right, alpha minus beta, and we have to show sin inverse, so alpha minus beta, if we transfer sin this, so sin of alpha minus beta, so that's why sin alpha minus beta formula তোমরা লিখবে, so sin a cos b minus cos a and sin b, like that formula. And sin alpha means तुम्हारा this is x, and cos beta means this is root over 1 minus y square, same as y into root over 1 minus x square, okay. So therefore, so alpha minus beta is equal to sin inverse x into root over 1 minus y square minus y into root over 1 minus x square, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, and this is sin inverse x into root over 1 minus y square, y into root over 1 minus x square. This is your formula, and same as we have to show the first formula like this, okay. Now again we have to show the inverse of cos. See here, question number 6. Roman 1 cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, and that will be cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square 1 minus y square, and second cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, and it will be cos inverse xy. If it is a minus, then it will be plus 1 minus x square and 1 minus y square. We have to the second formula. Let us assume cos inverse x is equal to alpha, so cos alpha is equal to x. Again, cos inverse y is equal to beta, so cos beta is equal to y. Now we can write alpha, that is x by 1, and that means x by 1, and it will be 1 minus x square. Same as for beta, যদি হয় y by 1, so base is 1, hypotenuse is 1, so our height is root over 1 minus y square, 1 minus y square. And now for number 2 alpha minus beta, and we have to show the cos inverse, so cos of alpha minus beta, you can write cos of alpha minus beta. Formula here is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, and that's why xy plus sin 1 minus x square and 1 minus y square. And now alpha minus beta is equal to cos inverse xy and plus root over 1 minus x square root over 1 minus y square, and so cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, and it is cos inverse xy plus root over 1 minus x square and 1 minus y square. Okay. And point number 7. And now we have to show 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Let us assume tan inverse x equal to theta, then tan theta is equal to x, means x by 1. So we can write x, this is 1 and this is 1 plus x square. And see here, this is sin inverse, so that is 2 theta, this is 2 theta, and we have to show sin inverse, so sin of 2 theta. So sin of 2 theta, formula here is from tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta from multiple angle. So you can write this formula. So 2x by 1 plus x square. So it will be 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. And again see 2 theta, and we have to show cos inverse, so cos of 2 theta, and it will be 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and this is 1 minus x square, tan theta means x by a, this is tan theta by 1 plus x square. So 2 theta, this is also 2 theta equal to tan inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Same as we can show also tan inverse that 2 theta into tan, so we can write 2 theta, so tan of that, formula here is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, so that is 2x by 1 plus x square. So again 2 theta is equal to, we can write tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So these all are 2 theta, again 2 theta. So we can write each and every as same. So 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of that. So 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of that. So 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of that, and this is sin inverse of that. Sorry. Oh, this is cos. This is cos. We have to cos inverse of that. Okay. So 2 theta equal to we can write sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So this is 2 tan theta or 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is the formula.